welcome back to my channel. We're here, we're on a new camera though. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, but I just got a GoPro Hero 7 and that is what I'm filming with today. So yeah, today I'm in Nice. I've been here since last Friday. Today is Monday. It is Easter Monday and I'm going to the beach because apparently it was supposed to rain, but it's extremely sunny today. Now I'm headed to the beach. I am traveling alone as usual. A little bit hard to get some content and some pictures when I'm traveling alone, but it's completely fine. I have seen a lot of people taking some sun, even if it's windy. Here in the French Riviera it's very windy no matter what day it is. I hope you can still hear me because it's very windy as I was saying, but I'm still gonna go see if I can get a little bit of sun and maybe some pictures later for Instagram. I have my tripod, I have everything. Hello again, it is the same day. I've changed outfits. I tanned for an hour or so at the beach and then the sun was completely gone. I'm gonna show you right now. It's about to rain, but I'm still, which is why I'm wearing this hat. Also, I got my little tripod, the big tripod here, so I can take pictures with it as well. So I just made it to the Orthodox church. This is it. It's freaking beautiful from the outside and now I'm going in so I can visit. I'm pretty sure we're gonna find lots of gold in here. So the second I get into it, they told me no pictures. It's very, very special, very different. She also, by the way, she also gave me like a little shawl to cover my legs. I felt very naked when she told me that. so much gold as I predicted, but not only in the construction of the church but also in like little portraits. They have gold into them, and there's a crown, a real crown, and also they're not very classic, like when they have like when it's prayer time, they don't have seats like lined up like every single church, but they have seats all like in little corners. So that was very different. I just got back from the Russian cathedral, went back and changed because it's freaking windy and cold. So I'm going to the old town now. I took a bite to eat in McDonald's, so maybe I'll just get a drink or something and getting some candy right now.
It is raining, but all I can see is the summer we spent.
The gardens right now, there's normally a waterfall in here, but there isn't today because it's raining. I wish Nice treated me with better weather, but it didn't. I don't know if I'm going to take more pictures. It's starting to rain again as I'm vlogging. Oh my god. So I don't know how I'm gonna deal with the weather. It's gray, it's really ugly. And so it's been a couple hours. I went back to the Airbnb, I watched a movie. It has stopped raining for the past hour, I think. So I changed. I'm wearing the only shirt I have brought with me. I've brought my whole suitcase. It's just summer clothes. I'm going out for lunch. I'm going to the Hard Rock Cafe. I'm going to try it. This is my first time ever. And then after that I'm going to La Colline du Château, which is just the really highest point of Nice, I think, where you can see the whole city. I've been to half of it. It's really beautiful. You get to see the whole ocean and the contrast with the old city and everything. And yeah, let's go eat. had lunch at the Hard Rock. The experience is great, but the food is not that good. I mean, no tea, no shade, but it's American, so definitely no spice. I'm still going to that place, La Colline du Château. I'm going all the way up. The umbrella is here. We are here. We're doing it. And yeah, let's go. This is the view from the first part. It does look beautiful though. I was a little sad that it's raining. I was like, it's not gonna be beautiful, but it looks good nonetheless. So I started walking, literally have no idea where it comes, where it gets to, where it takes you. I lost all of my English, but I'm literally the only one here, as you can see, and this is such a cute view. You can see the port all the way there, all of the yachts. We all know there's rich people here. And then here's the view from this point. It's freaking beautiful. Even if it's raining, honestly, this just pushes me to enjoy everything and anything, even if it rains. Which is not my, I mean, I do love the rain, but I love being home when it rains. But yeah, I mean, I'm still going to enjoy my vacation, chill, and we'll see where this takes me. So I got to yet another point of view, and I'm still alone. And I was also looking for the waterfalls, and I looked down, and here they are. Look how wild that is with all the rain. But the view though, I really love the little contradiction of having the sea and having the mountains in the same place. Oops. Oh my god. I'm gonna get super wet, but it's fine. Now I'm going back down, and I think I'm gonna head back to the Airbnb right now so I can chill for a second, maybe go out for dinner later when it stops raining, but right now I just can't take it anymore. It doesn't stop. Good morning, guys. It is a new day. I look as bad as the weather today. I haven't made it out of the Airbnb. It hasn't stopped raining for 24 fucking hours. But yeah, yesterday I did everything I could. I think I visited pretty well the city, so I don't feel as guilty as I usually would if I didn't visit it very well. There's a colleague who's visiting the city today, so we might have dinner together later. So I'm out right now. I think it's like around 5 p.m. The rain has stopped for a couple hours, I think an hour now or something, so I'm out. I'm going to meet my colleague. Currently they have a heated pool where he is staying, so we're gonna take care, we're gonna take advantage of that. It's not very far from where I'm staying, so that's good. So yeah, we're gonna chill, have dinner later, I guess. I don't know how much I'm gonna be vlogging because obviously I don't think everyone wants to be on camera, so yeah, maybe my food later or something like that, but either way I will see you in the next clip. Good morning, guys. It is Thursday. It is my last day here in Nice, and it's 11 a.m. I'm out right now to go get some brunch. I can barely talk. I hope you can hear me. Yesterday I went back at 2 a.m. but could not sleep until 6 a.m. Breakfast. I completely killed that French toast. It was so good. And now it's 12 p.m. I'm gonna go do some last minute shopping. I may or may not be treating myself. I may or may not. I'm excited about it, and I'll tell you about it later. Okay, hi guys, I am back. I made all the purchases that I wanted to do. I got myself a wallet. I'm not gonna say it again, but you guys know what my favorite color is. I'm pretty sure you guys already know. But for real, I'm gonna show you the wallet, but I'm also going to justify it because that's how I am. I'm gonna show you my wallet, my current wallet. You guys are gonna die. And this, and this, and here it is. It's adorable. It's so cute. It was between this or another one that's literally the same. It's just a different type of leather, but I like this this type of leather right here. It has a compartment for all your bills, some for change, and also a lot for cards, which I wanted exactly that. I wanted somewhere I could put my money but also my cards. But now I need to show you my actual wallet right now. Okay, are you guys ready? We're gonna take everything out. Okay. This is crazy. Let me say that I've had this for 10 freaking years. I never wanted to buy a wallet, never liked one. And then now that I've had this one for 10 years, I was like, I think it's time to invest in one. So this is mine right now. This is what it looks like. It's completely fucked up. It doesn't even close anymore. Like, here we go. Doesn't close. I've had it for literally, I bought this in 2009 and I was literally in high school. So now I have a job. I'm 26. So it's a little bit insane. I bought it from Big Deal way back in the day. Big Deal actually went out of business from Morocco and then went back into business in Morocco, and they still had their wallet. Okay, so the suitcase is done. The bags are packed. This is the food that I still have. Trash is ready to go out. Dishes are done. The bed is gonna be done tomorrow. And right now what I'm going to do, so I'm ready to just go out and chill. I'm going to journal a little bit, have a little rundown these past few weeks, and also this week that I spent